5 watercolour moons. Let's go. Hi, I'm Michelle from Bluebella, and today we are painting 5 watercolour moons with gold accent. Ignore the moth, he's not part of it, we're just doing the moons. Let's get started. These are the finished moons. As you can see, they've got some really pretty gold details, and this is Honeybee Pigments. She has a huge range of colours. So I start off by painting a circle using this lovely purple bright shade. And I've also got some like indigos and blues, and I'm just mixing those together on the paper to see how I like the style of the first moon. And then I'm sort of mixing together a darker shade of that purple to create like a little bit of shading and shadowing. And then using that darker sort of almost black charcoal, I'm using that for the second moon as well, making it a bit darker than the first, and then adding the gold. As you can see, that makes a real difference. Then I'm using more of a greeny blue to make a greeny blue moon, and I'm just lifting some of the colour as well to allow for some of the gold. I think the gold contrasts better with the darker shades, but it's great to experiment, and that is the whole point of a sketchbook, to see which colours work better together and which style you like, and just trying new things. So I mixed a few varied reds, oranges and dark shades and added the gold onto the fourth moon. And then with the fifth moon, I just went straight for yellow. That I was really drawn to the yellow, and added lots of gold, added some orange to contrast, and then went in and added some darker shades, wet on wet technique, adding some more darker colours and adding some extra gold as well, just to see which ones I liked, and just experimenting, and had great fun. Thank you for watching. I hope you give it a try, and don't forget to subscribe.